If you want to accept UPI payments in your Shopify store, you need to integrate a payment gateway that supports it. So Shopify itself doesn't process UPI directly. You need a gateway like Razorpay, PayU, or Cash Free. So you just sign up with your chosen provider and complete KYC if needed. Then, once approved, you need to get your merchant ID, API key, and secret from the payment gateway dashboard. These are required to connect Shopify to the gateway. But in general, you can also go ahead and try adding the app. So you go into the settings, you go here, you go to the Shopify App Store, and you search for those providers that I have. Sorry, not here. You go to the payments, and then you search for those providers I mentioned. So you choose a provider, and in here you search for example, those three ones that I've mentioned, the PayU, Cash Free, etc. And then you can add it and use it. In your payments gateway dashboard, make sure that UPI payments are enabled. So to view the dashboard, you go back to Shopify here, and there's going to be your dashboard right over here, where you can see if all the stuff are set up. And then you can just start checking by placing a dummy order. So you go to payments, you choose the provider, you choose the bogus gateway, for example, and then you just activate it and see if everything goes through. So this is it. This is how you set up the UPI safely for accepting instant payments.